So what's up, my people? It's your boy speaking here once again with another update, or should I say an update inside an update that I've shared before. How do you see that English? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, joke apart. This is inex.io. inet should I say inetics.io? Sorry, this is an update that I shared long ago to you guys that I have withdrawn $74.20 total to my wallet, which I showed you guys before. So just like I told you guys, if you follow the link in the description to sign up to this particular project, they will give you $90 on their own token, which is gonna be listed in some months coming. Yeah, they're gonna list it in some months coming on this particular which is gonna be listed. Don't worry, when the listing come, I will tell you guys. As for now, they are in their pre-ICO stage 1, which will end in 39 days. But that is not what we are talking about here. Although they're gonna give you $90 worth of their token. Their token is any token. You can add it to Trust Wallet, but this is not why we are here. Although I'm currently having 2,475 pieces of their token, and I have, which is worth in $1,361.25 currently on their own platform, not in anywhere listed. It's not listed anywhere apart from adding it to Trust Wallet as a token. So, but what we are talking about today is this $10 that you are seeing right here now on my account balance. This $10 you are seeing here now on my account balance. So we're going to talk about it. Remember, I told you guys when you are signing up my previous videos, I've told you guys that you cannot withdraw without buying a plan, or that is equivalent to depositing. So each referral is going to be giving you $0.05, as in US dollars, not their token. They are doing it. They have been running it since Christmas started. So that is kind of a Christmas gift to people that can invite people. So my videos, thanks to my videos and me sharing it to other, both Facebook, facedao, and every other thing, I've gotten referrals that reached this $10, and I was like, okay, if you are seeing this video on YouTube today, that means this video, what I planned on this video, worked. Because in today's video, since I cannot withdraw this $10 actually because I don't have a plan, according to them, okay, if I click on withdraw now, let me go on to withdraw for you to see why I don't want to withdraw this $10 instantly. So if I click, I added my TRC20 wallet address. So if I add $10 here, $10 cancel it, $10. If I add it 10, and if I click on withdraw fund, you see that withdraw phone bonus fund is not possible. To receive passive income, top up your account balance and create a deposit. With the profit from the bonus, you can buy any token to further the withdrawal on crypto exchange. So now I want to know if I can easily use, since I cannot withdraw the bonus that was given to me for referring. I want to know if I can use it to invest, if I can invest it. Remember, if you sign up, they're gonna give you $25 free, which will be giving you and some amount of dollars every day. As I'm talking to you now, I'm currently I've earned which will be trading for you. I've earned $25.29 here also, and this is one of the best investment plan, which you can invest your money and not be fearing about your money, them running away with your money, because this is a very big company. I showed it in my previous video about it, my last video about this particular update, this particular website, this particular company. I showed you guys reason why you don't need to fear about your money on this particular update. But since I want to make a video about it, I don't want to deposit yet, so that I can show you guys that it's possible for you to earn from the platform without deposit. Remember, I have already withdrawn $74.26 without investment. You can check the video in the description for more details about it. I have not invested anything on this particular platform, remember. So what I have to do now is to click on create deposit, and then it will take me to where I have to take the one that I want. So I have to do is to add $10 here, and then click on the plan that I want to buy. I've clicked on it. I think I've added 10 points. Now let me make it 10.09 because that is my actual balance, and then click on create deposit. Please enter value. Okay, let me remove this 10.09. Let me remove it. Just 10 here, 10. Then click on create deposit again, and it's now loading. Let's know what it's gonna do. Remember, I'm using the plan that I got. As you can see, the deposit is now successful. Go to the list of deposit to see it. Now I have only 0.9 cents on my account. So the plan that I bought is this particular one, which is the minimum percent. The minimum plan is $10. Maximum is $1,000. Daily it will be giving me 93% of my profit daily. 93% of my profit daily. Remember, if you get a referral that's deposited on the platform, the referral bonus is gonna be sent to your account directly, as far as you link your wallet address of any cryptocurrency of your choice, be it Binance, TRC20, ERC20, or whatsoever. So as you can see, let me know what will be doing for me every day. So as you can see, there is a way to use this particular platform without investment. That is referrals. If you can get referrals, a good amount of referrals, not just referrals, then you can do the same thing that I did. Invite your friends, invite people, keep accumulating 0.5 USD, 0.05 US dollars, 0.5 until you reach $10 minimum. And also the trading benefit that you are getting also from the $25 that was given to you, which will be also giving you 0.93 cents daily. You also be added up to it until it reach $10 minimum. Then use it to do the same thing that I did. That means now that I have used my balance to buy a plan, that means maybe the way I'm seeing it, I can now withdraw my balance to my wallet address. If you want to know if I can still withdraw, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. So now if you go over to my active deposit now, you will see that I now have 2 active deposits. The first one is $25, which is already about to end. Look at it over here, deposits at the end time, 17 days left to count. So I think profits have given me today's every day I'm getting $25 from this particular 23 USD from this particular free plan which they gave to me every day, and it's gonna run for me for 40 days already. This one have ran for me for 23 days and now remaining 17 days. Now this one that I started today will be giving me profit per day 9 cents, 0.09 cents every day, not 19 cents. That is 9 cents every day. So from tomorrow it will be giving me that amount, and it's also gonna be for 40 days. So for those of you guys that maybe you don't have referral but you want to partake on this particular token, what you have to do is very simple. Deposit, I think their minimum deposit is $30 here. Deposit it, use your $10 to buy the plan, or even feel safe depositing on the platform, because this is not a scam website. This is not your regular scam website. It's a legit platform which is about to launch their own token. Even though speaking is not in financial advice, but it's very, very recommended to you to start earning from inet6.io. I don't really know the pronunciation is sometimes a problem to me, and I can't cut this video now. So that's what I want to show you guys today. So if you go over to my dashboard now, you see that I don't have anything on my dashboard. Remember, I have withdrawn $74.26 from this. That is not a lie. Now my active deposit now is at $5, and referral bonus, although what I would run is from referral, and the referral bonus is very, very instant. So this is it. I think this is what I want to show you guys on this video today. In case you don't understand anything on this video, kindly hit me up on the comment section and I will help you to explain more things about the project. If you want to get information from someone that knows better than me, you can also check out their customer care service by going to this Telegram icon here or wherever. You can send them an email on their email also, so that they will guide you more. I think this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys got value from this video, and don't just watch video, take action. If you cannot invite a lot of people, that you can see my total referral is 435. So if you can't get 437, actually, if you can't get that amount of referrals, I will advise you to simply deposit minimum of 10 USD. I think the minimum deposit is 30 USDT or more, but use 10 USDT to start up earning from this particular platform, where you know that earning from them, deposit your money from in this particular platform will not in any way make you lose your money. Just that it will be giving you little amount of it for 40 days. So imagine getting 0.09 cents, $9 for 40 days. Calculate it and you surely get gain. So I think this is the end of this video, guys. Hope you guys got value. See you guys in my next video. Bye.